Cyclone Alfred is closing in, and the latest forecast pinpoints exactly which suburbs and locations will be hit hardest over the next 72 hours. Coastal suburbs directly in the impact zone include Noosa, Coolum, Maroochydore, Caloundra, Bribby Island, Redcliffe, Brighton, Sandgate, Nudgee Beach, Wynnum, Manly, Cleveland, and Redland Bay. These areas are expected to experience damaging winds exceeding 120 km per hour, coastal flooding and intense rainfall as Alfred makes landfall. Inland suburbs also facing significant impacts include North Lakes, Morayfield, Caboolture, Ipswich, Springfield, Logan, Rocklear, Windsor, and Ashgrove, where flash flooding, fallen trees, and power outages are highly likely. Areas along the Brisbane River, including West End, Toowong, St. Lucia, New Farm, and Bulimba, could also see rising water levels and local flooding, depending on how much rain falls across the catchment. Here's a breakdown of how conditions are expected to unfold over the next 3 days. Day 1 Friday, Landfall Day. Cyclone Alfred is forecast to make landfall late Friday night, with the Sunshine Coast to the Gold Coast corridor most at risk. Bribby Island, Redcliffe, Brighton, and Sandgate are likely to experience the earliest coastal impacts, including storm surges, damaging winds, and heavy rain exceeding 100 millimeters. Nudgee Beach, Wynnum, and Manly could see coastal flooding combined with dangerous surf conditions during high tide. Windsor, Ashgrove, and Rocklear may see intense rainbursts leading to flash flooding, particularly near creeks and low-lying streets. Day 2 Saturday. As Alfred tracks inland, severe weather will extend further west. Ipswich, Springfield, Logan, and Caboolture are expected to record up to 150 millimeters of rainfall, triggering flash flooding and road closures. Wind gusts of up to 90 kilometers per hour are likely across exposed areas, leading to power outages and fallen trees. Coastal suburbs, including Cleveland, Redland Bay, and Victoria Point, will continue to face high tides and further local flooding. Day 3, Sunday. As Alfred weakens into a tropical low, widespread rain and flooding risks will persist. Areas along the Brisbane River, such as Toowong, St. Lucia, West End, New Farm, and Bulimba, will need to closely monitor river levels, especially if heavy rain continues upstream. Travel across the region could remain dangerous, with flooded roads, landslips, and debris making many areas unsafe. Check your suburb and prepare now.